In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in TaskRabbit account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in taskrabbit.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of TaskRabbit. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So click on this option, sign up or log in, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to sign up or log in for your account. Simply click on this option, log in, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to log into your account. What you have to do is enter your credentials. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address associated with your account over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you're logged in to your account. So that is how you log in TaskRabbit account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.